In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some homemade fidget toys. Sorry about the background noise. My dad is watching Batman once again. So, the first thing you're going to... Also, sorry the video, there isn't a thumbnail for that last video. I'm going to try and put one on there, but I did not. I'm really sorry, and I'm going to really try to get one on this one. I haven't really been doing thumbnails, but I'm going to start doing them again now. So, let's do it. So, first thing you need for this, first one, so the first thing you're going to need is a paper Ziploc bag, well not a paper, a Ziploc bag, and then water. So, okay. The first thing you're going to do is pour the water in here. Oh wait, you're also going to need, unicorn skin. Well, you don't need it, but I really prefer it to make like a natural good one. I just mixed pink and yellow. You could also use glitter or anything that's like glitter, but don't use like glitter glue or anything like that. No like liquids, just like sparkly things like this. So preferably unicorn skin. So now first thing you want to do is pour the water into the bag. So let me do that. Let me go over my sink and do it just so I don't spill. Oh, never mind. Some water in it. So now you need to do this last one. This is how you make a, here you go. So this is also how you make a, this is how you make a water snake. So next you're going to want to make, to put in the unicorn skin or whatever you're using. Try not to spill the water, guys. Just gotta fill that up. Sorry, my friend called me. I wasn't able to answer because I'm making a video. Get a little bit on here. So now I just want to zip up the Ziploc bag. So now you want to get another Ziploc bag. Just kidding, you don't need another Ziploc bag. I was gonna do something, but I'm just not gonna do it. So yeah. So then you have your, oh no, I didn't zip the bag up all the way. That's what I was about to say. Make sure you zip up the bag all the way or it will spill. this is like, if you break it open, it'll go everywhere. So you have to be very careful playing with it. And if I were you, I would kind of just like keep it like, I don't know, for decoration or something with your fidget collection. Or just buy a water snake. But this is the best choice if you don't have like money, like you're a kid and you don't have like your allowance yet. Just make it like this. So the next thing I'm gonna teach you how to make. Sorry, I'm so sorry about that back one. Okay, I just turned it down. So now I'm gonna show you how to make a DIY tangle. So you're gonna need like a bracelet. You could use this, which I wouldn't prefer them, because like the beads will probably fall off. But I would most definitely recommend the style bracelets. So I'm going to use just the clear one because it's clear and it's just like. No, but these ones, on the other hand, are like have like touches to it. So take out this one. I'll show you the examples for each one of how each one turns out. Then you're going to need obviously scissors. So here we go. Just gonna cut in this bracelet, and I know the beads are probably gonna go like everywhere. Yeah, the beads like go everywhere. But then here's your tangle. If you do it, no beads on the tangle, so it's kind of like useless. So let me just pull those all off. So, yeah, just get all these, clean them up, and put them into the basket that I'm putting them in, so I can throw everything away. So now I'm gonna cut open this. I don't really want to cut open because I love it, but it's for you guys, so I'll do it. Oh my god, it snaps. I don't think you can cut yourself on this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can't, but just in case, try not to. And now this is your tangle. And yeah. So that's all the fidgets I'm going to show you for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Bye-bye. Peace out.